Learn how to find the equation of a circle given its center and radius. The equation of a circle with center at point h, k and radius r is given by this formula. First, let's break down the equation of a circle. This equation represents all points on the circle that are at distance r from the center h, k. To find the equation, we need to know the center and radius of the circle. The center of the circle is given by the coordinates h, k. The radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. For example, the equation of a circle with center at 2, 3 and radius 4 is this. Now, let's graph the circle using its equation. Here's the graph of the circle with center at 2, 3 and radius 4. The equation of this circle is x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 16. In conclusion, finding the equation of a circle is straightforward once you know its center and radius. Just remember the formula for the equation of a circle and plug in the values for the center and radius.